Dreading the alarm clock tomorrow morning? You are not alone. That slight feeling of anxiety is creeping in. It is the night before we have to spring forward for daylight saving time. Losing that one precious hour of sleep can throw off your entire week. Every car driving by, every creak in the floorboards, suddenly feels 10 times louder. But what if you could create a peaceful bubble of sound that insulates you from the world? Today, we are reviewing the 3 best-selling white noise machines of 2026 that will help you sleep through the time change and wake up feeling refreshed. First, let's talk about why this works. Your brain is wired to react to sudden changes in sound. A white noise machine creates a consistent audio blanket. This sound masking effect blends jarring noises like a barking dog or traffic into the background, allowing your brain to stay in deep rest. Now, let's look at our top picks. First up is the Hatch Restore 3. This is the ultimate smart sleep system. It is perfect for tech lovers who want to optimize their entire routine. It combines a sound machine, a reading light, and a sunrise alarm into one beautiful device. You can set a sunset routine to wind down with soft light and rain sounds. In the morning, instead of a shocking alarm, it gently wakes you with a simulated sunrise. It is the best way to fix your circadian rhythm after the time change. Next, we have the Yogasleep Dohm Classic. This is the timeless original for the purist. Unlike digital speakers, the Dohm uses a real internal fan to create natural, rushing air. It is non-looping and organic. If you hate digital sounds or need to mask snoring, this mechanical fan sound is unbeatable. It is simple, durable, and effective. Finally, for the best value, we have the Dreamegg D1 sound machine. If you want high-fidelity sound without the premium price tag, this is the one. It features 24 crystal clear sounds, including white noise, fans, and nature tracks. It even has a headphone jack, making it perfect for office privacy or shared rooms. It is compact, affordable, and gets the job done. So, don't let the thought of losing an hour of sleep give you anxiety. Whether you choose the smart Hatch, the classic Dohm, or the versatile Dreamegg, investing in your rest is the best decision you can make this week. Want to see the full specs and current prices? Click the link in the description below to read our full in-depth review and find the best deals on Amazon. Sleep well, and see you in the next video.